right, hello and welcome back. In a few of our previous lessons, we've been discussing different types of adjectives, okay? And today we're going to explore yet a new one, okay? Today we're looking at limiting adjectives, okay? And these are words that specify or restrict a noun rather than describe it, okay? It doesn't describe the quality of the noun that we're talking about. Instead, it tells us which one, whose, or how many, okay? Listen to these examples. This book is mine. I need some water. Every student passed the test. That building is very tall, okay? Now notice something important, okay? Limiting adjectives answer questions like which or how many, not what is it like, okay? It's not describing it, okay? The beautiful girl, okay? Beautiful is descriptive. It tells us what she's like. But that girl, that is limiting. It tells us which girl, okay? So with descriptive adjectives, we describe a quality, okay? With limiting adjectives, we specify or restrict, okay? Now, there's several categories, and we're going to go through them, okay? Category one is articles. The most common limiting adjectives are articles, okay? We have three, a or a, an, and the. A pen, an orange, the classroom. Articles tell us whether we're talking about something specific or general, okay? I need a pen. That means any pen will do. I need the pen means I need a specific pen, okay? Category two is demonstrative adjectives, okay? These tell us which one by using position or distance, okay? And those are this, that, these, and those, okay? This coffee is too hot. I love those mountains. That restaurant is closed. This and these are closer to the speaker, okay? That and those are farther away, okay? Now the third category is possessive adjectives, okay? And these show ownership or relationship. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their, okay? My phone is broken. Her parents are visiting next week. Our apartment is near the park. Their cat is sleeping. Okay, possessive adjectives always come before the noun. Now, category four is quantifiers, and these tell us how many or how much, okay? Some, many, few, several, all, each, every, no, neither, okay? Some students arrived late. I have a few opportunities to practice. Every person in the room agreed. No mistakes were made, okay? Notice how quantifiers answer how many or how much we're talking about. In category five is interrogative adjectives, okay? And these ask questions about nouns, okay? Which, what, whose, okay? Which movies do you want to watch? What time is the meeting? Whose keys are these. So why do we call them limiting? Okay, the name makes sense once you understand the function. Okay, these adjectives limit or restrict the meaning. They narrow down which specific noun we're talking about. Okay, I need a pen. That's just very general. It could be any pen. I need my pen is very specific. It limits the choice to my pen only. Okay? I need that pen is also very specific. It limits the choice to that particular pen. The more specific you are with limiting adjectives, the clearer your meaning is to the hearer. Okay? So let's look at a few practical examples. This is the best coffee I've ever had. This is demonstrative. The is the article. Okay? All students must submit their homework. All is a quantifier. There is possessive. That woman is my teacher. That is demonstrative, and my is possessive. Okay? Which book do you prefer? Which is interrogative. Okay? Some of these flowers are wilting. Some is a quantifier, right? Because not all of them, just some of them. Okay? These is demonstrative. Okay? So today you learned about limiting adjectives. Okay? They are used to specify or restrict rather than describe. Okay? The main categories are articles, a and the, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, possessives, my, your, his, hers, its, ours, their. Okay? Quantifiers, some, many, few, all, each, every, no. And interrogatives. Which, what, whose. Okay? Limiting adjectives come before descriptive adjectives in a sentence. Okay? And limiting adjectives answer which, or whose, or how many, not what is it like. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.